To decide how much your electricity bills will rise, I've assembled a team of distinguished economists and placed plausible rate hike percentages on their backs. Now, we will use unfettered free market principles to arrive at a number. Release the hounds. Notice how the Keynesians climb trees while the Austrian school economists hide under rocks.
That is fascinating.
And there you have it, folks. Rates will rise a healthy 17%. And now, to help you disperse...
Let me guess, you're gonna release the hounds again.
Oh, don't be silly. Release the radioactive steam!